Are you looking for the best tabletop radios? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best tabletop radios on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall tabletop radio. You'd struggle to find a better all-around radio than the Sangean WR11. It's not only incredibly simple to operate, with controls a child could understand, but it offers clear and dynamic sound quality. The single speaker may be small, a mere 3 inches, but it offers surprisingly impressive sound quality. With good detail, the vintage looks and wooden housing disguise a cabinet that is carefully tuned, and really helps the sound quality along. If you're looking for the absolute best in tabletop radios, look no further. Number 2. Best tabletop radio with Bluetooth. There are several radios that offer Bluetooth, but very few that do it with as much style or elan as the Tivoli Audio Model 1 BT. It's an absolutely beautiful radio to look at, and connecting it to a Bluetooth device, like your smartphone, is simplicity itself. It's much less expensive than similar Bluetooth models like the Como Audio Solo, and while it lacks some of the advanced features of those models, it makes up for it by doing a few simple things very well indeed. If you listen to both traditional AM/FM stations as well as Bluetooth audio, consider the Model 1 BT. It is far from the best sounding radio here, however. In our opinion, the sound is passable, but can be a little harsh at times, especially when listening to AM/FM. For a better audio option, try the Grace Digital Mondo Elite Classic, below. Worth noting, Tivoli Audio makes several variations of this radio, including a version with a clock, the Model 3, and a Wi-Fi enabled version called the Model 1 Digital, both $300. We think the Model 1 BT is the best radio they make. Number 3. A simple budget radio with AM/FM. We think there's a place for affordable tabletop radios, and the Panasonic RF2400D definitely counts. For only $34, you get a very capable AM/FM radio with simple controls and good performance. The sound is surprisingly competent, nothing on similarly priced radios like the Avantree SP850, below, but more than good enough to hold its own, and the Avantree is FM only. If all you want is a simple, reliable radio that can pick up AM and FM stations in almost all circumstances, the Panasonic RF2400D is a good look. And although we haven't had ours for very long, we've heard good reports about reliability. Hardly surprising, given Panasonic's reputation. Number 4. Best of the rest. The Grace Digital Mondo Elite Classic offers everything you could possibly want in a radio. Whether you listen to an internet station, or an AM or FM broadcast, you'll be up and running in seconds. The Mondo Elite Classic delivers excellent sound quality, too, thanks to a well-made 25-watt amplifier. It's not the loudest radio around, but for sheer quality and versatility, nothing can beat it. It even includes a Qi wireless charging pad, meaning you can drop your phone on top to charge. That's something not even more expensive radios, like the Bose Wave Sound Touch Music System 4, below, can boast. We love the design, too. The old Mondo Elite was an industrial hunk of plastic, but this has real warmth and flair, with a wonderful wood finish. Number 5. Avantree SP850. The Avantree SP850 is a popular little desktop radio, perfectly suited for the kitchen or workshop. It features a rechargeable battery and, being roughly the size of an iPhone, it can be taken virtually anywhere. Avantree have focused their efforts on user-friendly features such as auto scan and one of the easiest ways to manually search stations. The 10 large buttons with numbered slots not only make saving a favorite station a breeze, but also act as a smart dial. Just punch in 1022 to tune into 102.2 FM. For instance. The SP850 packs in Bluetooth, and even a TF card reader. These features are welcome, but the SP850 is still very much a budget option. This is reflected in the build, which is plasticky, and feels cheap.